Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through a fix when Instagram is saying that your connection is coming to an error or an oops, an error has occurred kind of message appears. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. If you're getting this message, it's probably because a couple of different reasons. The most common reason being maybe your internet connection is not strong enough. So I'm going to walk you through how to check that really quick. If I get out of Instagram and I go to settings in my phone, and then I hit on Wi-Fi. If you're connected to Wi-Fi and working off of it, you can see the bars of the Wi-Fi. If it's not strong enough, you might want to try changing the Wi-Fi network to a different network or restarting your router if you have that option, or just connecting and reconnecting by turning off Wi-Fi and then turning back on. If that's still not working, go ahead and just keep Wi-Fi off and only use your cellular data to work it, and then go back to your Instagram, and that should solve the problem. If it's still not working, try to restart Instagram by just going to your Instagram, pulling up, and then totally exiting out of it, and then trying to go back into Instagram again. The next thing you can do is to go ahead and make sure there's no updates needed by going to your app store, typing in Instagram, and making sure that there's no update next to Instagram. Mine says open, which means I'm fully updated, but if it needed an update, it would say update there. And if that is the case, go ahead and update it. And the last option is to go ahead and get into settings in your phone, and we're just gonna clear the cache for the app. I'm gonna go down to general and then iPhone storage. I'm gonna let this go ahead and load, and then I'm gonna scroll down until I see Instagram. I'm gonna click on that. I'm going to hit offload app. This just frees up storage in your app, takes off all the glitches. It's basically like deleting the app completely and then reinstalling it. After it goes ahead and it takes it off, you're going to have the option to reinstall the app. We're going to go ahead and click on that. When that appears, go ahead and hit reinstall app. And once that's done, your Instagram should be reset and it should be good to go. So you can go back into your app and it should be working fine. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.